Great day everyone! Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. So today guys, we're going to discuss about the medicinal parts here in our country. What are the uses and functions of this? So remember, our DOH or Department of Health approved 10 medicinal plants through its traditional health program, wherein they promote the use of herbal medicine to treat common ailments. And welcome back again to Ram's tutorial. Good morning my dear viewers, good morning class. Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. So today in this lesson we're going to discuss about medicinal plants. The medicine provider. Talking about this word medicine provider, this means to say class is that these herbal medicines have been tested thoroughly and are clinically proven safe and effective to treat certain ailments. And what are these ailments? We have common name, ailments relief treated. First is Acapulco. Acapulco means ringworm, bush. Ailments relief treated. Ringworms and fungal infections. This is for fungal infections. Next is Ampalaya, or what we call better guard. Ailments relief treated for diabetes. Okay, this is very what we call helpful guys. So for example, we can buy medicine to drugstore. So in the absence of that, we can what we call buy an ampalaya or better guard to cure diabetes. Bawang or garlic. Remember class, this is ailments relief or treated for high blood pressure or BP po. Okay, that's garlic. You can buy in a market. Okay, it's either 20 pesos, 50 or more than that. That's bawang or garlic. 4 is bayabas or guava class. Here in our country, there are a lot of bayabas. Treated, it's wounds and gum problems, especially to kids. Remember, also us adults also. So we can use also bayabas or guava leaves. Lagundi or 5-leaf chest tree. Ailments relief treated. It's for cough and asthma. Wow, it's so good, my dear students, to know the different functions and common for these what we call common names herbal medicines for us. 6 is niyogan or Chinese honeysuckle. It's good for our intestinal worms. Okay, that's for ailments relief treated. Again class, Acapulco, Ampalaya, bawang, bayabas, lagundi, and niyogan. Let's proceed for another medicinal herbal plants. We have sambong. This is very common for us class. A sambong is Blomea campor. That's sambong. Okay, it's help for urinary stones, my dear students. It's very much important. We're going to boil the sambong leaves for at least I think 30 minutes more. And then you're going to drink it after it's not totally hot. Chaang gobat or a forest tea. Intestinal motility and gum problems. That's their functions and uses of these herbal medicines. Pansitan or Olia simang batu. That's pansitan. It's good for arthritis and gout. 10. Herbabuena class. Oh, that's very good. Or peppermint. It's good for our body, aches, and pain. Those are what you call the medicinal plants. Okay. Sambong, Blomea campor, Chaang gobat or forest tea, pansitan or Olia sambong, Olia simang batu rather, herbabuena or peppermint. Let's have first here, body aches and pain, arthritis and gout, intestinal motility and gum problems, or urinary stones for sambong or bulimia campor. Next, we have a brain challenge. Brain challenge means this is what you call an exercises, wherein I'm going to test you, my dear students. You please get one half crosswise. Direction says, match the herbal plant in column A we have here with the elements that it can be trait in column B. We're going to write only the letter of your answer on the blank. So we have here the different blanks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so our choices here in column B, all we have to do is we're going to read it thoroughly, class. Okay, and then 9 and 10. So we have here two choices also. That's for our exercises about this topic. Okay, let's start with our what you call exercises. Are you ready, class? Hope you are ready. Please, we're going to start with number 1. Bawang. Okay, for bawang, class, or garlic, we're going to choose their functions in column B. For A, ringworm and fungal infections. B, diabetes. C, high blood pressure. So we have 3 choices here. Choose which is the right answer. For number 1, I am going to choose letter C here. Okay, so I'm going to write for number 1 letter C. And what is letter C? High blood pressure. Okay, that's bawang. Okay, that's letter C. So after encircling it, reading it, then you are going to match or draw a line your answer. Number 2, Acapulco. What is an Acapulco cheer? Okay, choices are ringworm and fungal infections, diabetes, or wounds and gum problems. Okay, I'm going to choose the right answer for number 2. Okay, that is ringworm and fungal infections. That is Acapulco. Next, number 3. Pansit pansitan. Okay, what is the function of pansit pansitan? Choices are, we have wounds and gum problems, cough and asthma, or arthritis and gout. So we're going to choose letter arthritis and gout. That is for number 3. Sorry for the choices. Number 4, ampalaya, or what we call better guard. Choices are, is it good for diabetes, wounds and gum problems, or cough and asthma? We're going to write letter B. That's good for diabetes. Okay, next, number 5, bayabas. Okay, bayabas or guava. So we know that this is good for wounds. Okay, so we're going to find first cough and asthma, intestinal worms, wounds and gum problems. So let's connect letter D. So we're going to write that's letter D for number 5. 6, lagundi. A lagundi, class, choices are intestinal worms, cough and asthma, or urinary stones. We're going to choose letter E. 7, niyogan. Is that intestinal worms, urinary stones, intestinal motility, and gum problems? So we're going to write letter F. 8, sambong. A sambong, class, is it intestinal motility and gum problems or urinary stones? Okay, we have letter G. Okay, that is for number 8. Let's proceed to number 9, my dear students. Please follow, guys. Number 9, forest tea or chaang gubat. Okay, let's have first body aches and pain, Or it might be intestinal motility and gum problems. So we chose letter H. It's good for intestinal motility and gum problems. So we're going to write letter H. For number 10, herba buhay na may our students or peppermint. It is good for we can use it also for our ingredients in our cooking. That's for number 10. So of course letter G. Okay? Body aches and pain. Hope my dear students you really understand our topic today about the different medicinal herbal plants that's approved for our Department of Health. Okay, this is what you called an alternative for our what you call for curing for the different types of ailments. Especially today class, we are facing the different what you call problems about COVID-19. So we should protect and help our immune system by taking the different types of herbal medicinal plants. Okay, if you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and of course like and share and comments to our suggestion box. So long class, and see you on my next video. Bye bye and God bless us all.